Focus groups are guided small group discussions with selected users. The purpose is to learn in detail how people use and reuse your digital collections. One of the most useful things about focus groups is that they allow you to gain a deep understanding of people's experiences, beliefs, and attitudes. And when you already have some quantitative data from other assessment methods, such as surveys, focus group discussions can give you more context, helping you understand those quantitative results. In other words, a survey might tell you what people did and how many people did certain things, while a focus group might tell you why they did those things. Focus groups typically include 5 to 10 people and are facilitated by a moderator. Often a note-taker or recorder will witness the discussion, and sometimes other observers will as well. The moderator guides the group through a series of discussion topics. The sessions typically take 60 to 90 minutes, and they can be held in person or virtually. These discussion sessions can be structured or unstructured. Structured sessions follow a script that's written in advance that contains all the questions to be discussed. It also contains specific ideas for follow-up questions. Unstructured sessions may begin with a script, but can depart from it as needed to discuss new topics that arise. Ideally, the moderator should be trained in focus group techniques. They'll need to know how to help participants feel comfortable, how to ask non-leading questions, how to best ask follow-up questions, and how to counteract their own biases. It's a good idea, if possible, for the moderator not to represent the organization that's being discussed. This will help people feel free to express a range of reactions. If your organization doesn't have access to trained moderators, you can still train your staff on best practices so they can learn how to encourage people to speak candidly. Since it's common to record focus groups, either by audio or video, you'll need to get consent from the participants before recording. These recordings will help you capture verbal or nonverbal cues and enable multiple listeners to check the reliability of everything later. To find participants, you might want to contact people who have signed up for your newsletter or asked reference questions related to your digital content. Aim to find people who are representative of the population you want to study. And you should try to invite people from as many perspectives as possible. Some of your participants may be people with disabilities, so be sure to make both physical locations and virtual locations accessible. Always make your venue comfortable and welcoming for everybody. To learn more about best practices for focus groups, see the next section of this tutorial. You'll also find some templates you can use for a recruitment email, a recording consent form, and more. Good luck with your focus groups!